Hello guys, good day and welcome to another weekly update episode 41. So on this week update, what we'll be making is I'll be showing you how to make a speaker protector, or let me say speaker clothes. So in few minutes now you understand what I mean, because by the time I start now you guys may be confused that what is this guy talking about. But from the picture you see on the um thumbnails of the video, you understand what I mean. So this is like a measurement of the speaker. As you can see, this is the structure of the speaker, this is the side handle, and this is the back where you can plug your wire into it from um your amp that will be feeding the speaker. So this is the back. So more I'll be talking about the measurement. Like, let's say the speaker, the way I measured is the speaker is 15 and a half by 36 by 18 and a half. So that's not the, it's a little bit reduced. No, if you want to cut the material, you cut extra, you calculate the same allowance where you are going to sew the material. And you don't want it to be too much fit that at the end of the day when you want to fix it to it will get ripped. So there's a way you measure it, and this is the measurement. So it depends on which one you want to make. I know some people will be interested in this and some people will not be interested. Like the people that make bags, someone having a speaker can just come to you that I want you to make a cloth for my speaker. So this is like a hint for you to make that. So I will be showing you all the process. As you can see, I won't talk much about this because this is like a customized one. All speakers are not of the same size, they are different size. So it depends on the one you want to make for. That's when you get your size. So this is material I'm using. It's a two-phase material but soft. This is a stock material. Actually, it has a back and it has a front. So I'm using the black side as the front. The this brown side will be the inside. So actually I'll be making four of these, but first I'm making two. So I've already started making one, which I will show you the outcome of it. And it's not done yet because some of the accessories I will be needing is not complete, it's not here. So but I will be showing you the process of making the second one and how you can cut the hand and all that thing. And this is one of the back cover for where you will be fixing your wire or your cable to it. So I'll be showing you that in a bit. So I hope you guys, if you're enjoying this particular weekly updates, give it a giant thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. And without no further ado, let's proceed to making of the rest of the video. So actually this is the one I use, as I've said. You see how it's looking. So as I said, it's a customized one. This is the back. This is this. So let me put what I've shown so you see how the outcome is. But we'll not finish it. When I finish it, I will show you the rest of it. So guys, this is it. As you can see, it has a zip here that went up. So another zip at the side here. As you can see, this is the place you can carry it. So this cover this when you are not carrying it, cover it. The back as well, this will cover this particular place. So and the other side as well. So like when you want to open it, let me zip. When you zip this up, when you zip up, when you zip it up, so this will be folded back this way. So as you can see, this is how it will look. But when you open this, there will be something here that will hold this down. Then this front, I think there will be a band that will hold this, that will make it to be much reinforced, that will reinforce it. So I'll be putting a band here, another one there. Then from the bottom as well, we'll put another one. So as I said, it's not done. Once it's done, I will show you. And the one I show you at the shop that we'll be doing, this is just like a test. Use it to test this before we proceed to making the rest of it. So stay tuned to watch this to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, this is what I've done so far. You see, this is the top, the It's not going to have bottom, so just only top. As you see the way it bend this way, the way this one to bend this way, and the front is a little bit shaped this way. So what I did is when I start, I didn't show you when I start. So the first thing we do is the speaker. We measure from the left back to the right. So that's why we have this big material here. As you can see, it goes from here down back to this place. Then we cut the front separate. As you can see, the one I showed you previously, we open the front up because of the zip that will be there. So we cut the front separate while we cut the side, the back, and the other side at the same. If your material is not enough, you can cut it separately and join the side to the back, join the other side to the back as well. But in this situation, since we have a big material to work with, so we cut it completely. And if it's not enough for you, you can also join your material. That is not a problem. So the first thing we will do now, we did here, is we attach the zip down. So as you can see, this is how I did it first. I attached this zip down like on the rest. Once I attach it down this way, so I stitch it from the outside so that it will hold down the zip. As you can see, this is the outside stitching. So this particular side, I did everything. On this particular side too, I did everything. So the reason why I didn't do the last one is I don't want to open this zip yet. I want to join the top before I will open it. So that will be the last one, because there's no way I can do this now. Yeah, I can do it if I want to do it, but I want to do it the easier way, so I will attach my top to it before I stitch this from the outside. So after we are done with this, before you start, you share your back side material together to two. So you indicate the center, which is the same thing I did here. Then you pick the top as well, you indicate the center, which is the same thing here. So right now, since we fixed the zip, I will let the black side face each other. Then I will start from here and I will stitch it round. When you are close to the front, it's possible you cut your material and it's wider a little bit, the side one. So once you get to the last edge at the front where you want your zip to be, once you are close by, you measure it. If the zip is going to extend to the front this way, so here you are going to adjust it a little bit. Even if it's gather, you don't mind, you just gather it, except if your measurements are accurate. So I'll be attaching the top now. Once I do that, I will show you the outcome of it. So there is something, I say I'm not done, so we'll be attaching this to it as well as we proceed, because I have it on the machine already. This rope and the ring and this square ring as well, we'll be attaching it to it. Then as we are working now, as we are sewing these hips, as we are doing this, as we want to attach this now, it is advisable for you to attach your zip, to fix your zip now before you start sewing, because your zip will be zip up, it will be slide up. So if you want to close it, you zip it down. Just like if you watch the beginning of the video, you understand what I mean, but if I finish I will show you. So before you fix this top, you have to insert your zip from the top as well, because it will be facing down. If you do not do that, you have to lose that particular zip side once you have fixed your top to it. So as we are fixing the top as well, once I get to the center here, I will indicate the center as well. So I will be fixing this ring and the rope to it as well, which is the webbing. So that's what I'll be doing right now. So once I'm done, I will show you guys before I proceed to the next step. Thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy the video, give it a giant thumbs up. If you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to get back to you and answer your question. That's it for now. I'll see you at the other side. So welcome back, guys. Actually, I've fixed the top of the speaker clothes. As you can see, this is the rope and the ring inside. This will be inside. Is when you fold the fronts, when you open the zip, you will use this to tie it down. So as you can see, here are the zip, and this is one of my zip head. I've not stitched this. I'm waiting to finish most of the things I'm doing, so I will stitch this from outside. So actually, I want to show you the pocket, the side pocket. Actually, as you can see, I've measured the side pocket. As you can see, this is the toilet chalk I use, and I did it this way. So I'll be stitching it like this, just like this one you are seeing here. This is the same thing I did. So I stitch it, then afterward I will putting this pocket on it. Actually, I've finished sewing my pocket down. As you can see, this is to cover the back. This is the two side that will cover the opening for the two side. So actually I've cut the first side. This is the first side. I've also cut the second side. This is it. So it's left for me to cut the back. So as you can see, this is how I normally do it. I will measure it. Basically, when you are measuring the speaker, you know what your outcome is going to be. So I have my measurement, so I measure it out. I know where the back will stop, so I know what here will be giving me this particular side, and I know what I'm looking for here. So right now I've marked it out where I'm going to cut, and this is the one I'll cut this one inside. So after I cut that, I will stitch it just like the one I show you there, just like this. After I stitch it, then I will start fixing the cover to the outside. Once I fix the cover, then I will stitch that zip, the zip part I'm showing you, before I'll be sewing the center. So there are still some accessories I'm waiting for to arrive. Once they arrive, I will try to finish up the project. That's the reason why I told you that this week update is going to just conclude how to make a speaker cover. So this is it for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll proceed to making the rest of it now. So sorry if you don't enjoy it. Just stay tuned, more video will be coming next week. Interesting video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you at the other side. So guys, as you see what I'm trying to show you, so I will stitch this from the inside. So, and I've done that. So the work, there's no neat work here and there's no rough work. You just try as much as possible to hide all the cutting outside so that it will not be losing. So that's the reason why we normally do it like this. So let me turn and fix let me show you the pocket I fixed as well. So as you can see, this is the pocket. This is the front cover for the pocket. For the handle, I'm just saying pocket, bag. It's not easy. So this is the cover. As you can see, it's a little bit neat, So this is how you leave it. This will be covering it, and this is for the back. This will cover the back side, and the other hand is on this side as well. It's cover it. So after you finish those, then the under here you have to fold this and stitch it so that your zip will not be pulling out. So this is what we've done so far. So by the way, I said I will be putting band. Still, the band is still not available, but I will show you that before I end this week update. So as I've tell you that this week update is based on this particular speaker cover. So I'll try my best to just show you everything and the outcome of it after we finish. So stay tuned for that. So guys, good morning. This is like almost after 3 days when last I filmed. I was working on this project. I've tested it on the speaker and it's quite alright the way I want it to be, but I said I need some supply then, so I just get my supply. This is the main stuff that is delaying me, and then my zip is not complete to finish it because of the standard zip I want to use. I have other zip, but I can't use them, so I just got my supply yesterday. So this morning I'm right here to finish up the work. So right now I'll be cutting this elastic band to fix it. So I will show you the process as I continue. So on the back, on the front here we have 22, right? So I will stretch it a little bit because I'm not going to cut that 21. I'm not going to cut that 21. I have to stretch it a little bit. I know how I want it before I will cut whatever I want to cut. So I'll be doing that. Once I do it, I will let you know the measurement I cut before. Once I start fixing it. So actually I will be fixing the way it is now. I will be fixing one here. That's it's going to have 2 at the front. Then at the bottom I'm going to fix, I think, 2 as well, or 1, so that it will hold this down from the bottom, and at the front here is going to hold it down a little bit as well. So that's just it. And you see, this is it. This is the material. I know one of it I said I didn't put zip, so that is this particular side. I didn't even double stitch it because I know the zip is not complete to finish the work the other day. So I'm just going to fix that now and get it in place. So I told you that this is how the weekly update is going to be going for this particular week. So that's the shop, and the inside is still intact. So let me finish up the work right now because I have other things to do. So I've started, guys. As you can see, this one you see here, this is 18 inch, and this is the 17 inch, and this is 11 inch. This is for the of the back bottom of the clothes, while this one is the one I will be at the front. You know, as here I'm going to put one at the top and one at the bottom, and this is for the bottom, one at the up and one at the down. This is for the bottom front side of the back. But once I fix it to the material, you see it, and I've fixed that zip. Now I'm trying to stitch the place, so I just said let me update you guys. Stay tuned. So guys, finally this is the outcome of it. You know, I said the band I will be putting, this is the band. I said I will be putting 2 at the front. As you can see, this is the second one. Then I put 2 at the bottom. So that's the second one. I will show you how it look on the second one. Actually, when I finished this, I was supposed to show you at the shop, but I didn't get time to film. So when I brought it to the clients, I decided to show you now. So let me let me turn it a little bit so that you can see the under. As you can see, this is one here. I hope you are seeing it clearly. This is one band here, and this is the second one towards the side. As you can see, that's the second band towards the back. This is the one towards the front. So everything is intact. That's the one of the cover for the handle, and this is for the side, for the back where they will put the cable. And you know, this melter ring I put is, and the webbing is to, like, when you fold this, when you roll this up, when you want to use it, it will be this way. And if you are not using it, you just do something like this. Once you drop it down, everything will go down. Then the zip here, you take the zip down, just like I'm showing you guys. You take this zip down. So it doesn't matter. Once you can make a bag, if you get a client that wants you to make this, you can make something like this for them, and you will be able to do it. That's the reason why I do this video for you guys, so that you can see how we make this and enjoy it. So, and I've told you that this will be the weekly update for this particular week. So as I say, that this will be the weekly update for this particular week. So that's it for you guys. As you can see, this is the side and this is the back. This is the back, this is the side. So this is the band I put at the back bottom of the clothes. As you can see, this one is not that wide, as you can see, and this is the one at the bottom towards the front, is not that wide as well. Then before the one at the front. So if I open this particular zip now, this zip here, you will see the 2 is there. Here is 1, then the another one, the second one is towards the front. This is where we sew it, as you can see. So I hope you guys really enjoying this particular weekly update. So I hope you guys really enjoying this particular weekly update. If you do, give this video a giant thumbs up. So by the way, there are tons of video that will be coming within this year, so just use this as the first of it. I'm trying to show you guys some of the things I do. So whether you make a bag or if it's souvenir, you can just use the idea of this one I show you. If you get a client that wants you to make a cloth for their speaker or a back cloth for their speaker, you can make something like this. So just like I said at the beginning of the video, it's just for you to take the measurements, know the specification, how big it is. You take the top measurement, the back measurement, the front measurement, where the handles are, and how to cut the cover for the handle. So you make it and you start making your money. So wherever you are, you can just make this. They can come to you that, can you make this particular store, particular thing? It doesn't matter. You don't say you can't. You won't say no, I have not made this. You say yeah, we can give it a try. From this video you learn and you are good to go and you are making your money. So that's it for this particular video. Bye for now. For those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. When you see this video, when you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section what you think on this video, and we shall see you at the next one. Bye.